How to enable or disable return missed calls on the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter the passcode. Then we scroll down to the bottom. Now in here, you want to tap on Return Missed Calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. Now on your lock screen, when you have a missed call, you can long press on the notification, then tap on callback. And here you can call back directly without unlocking your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.